Lucas.
Well, it's no longer an outdoor extension cord. You use it,
What?
It's no longer be used like you leave it out.
Oh, because it, yeah. Lucas. Lucas. Hey, Lucas, baby doll. What are you doing? What's this? What's that? Balloons? Are those the balloons? Where are you going?
It's so much better with the right plug on it and with this.
Just don't cut that one off, Grandpa.
Dada? Where you going? Where you going?
Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Come on. I'll pull you up. Come on. Come on. You did it before. Come on. Yay. Yay. Yeah, I rescued you. Now you're going to eat the pet house? You can't eat the pet farmhouse. Sit up straight. Sit up. Sit up. Oh, come on. No, no, no. Oh, you can do it. You can. Oh, see? I know you can do it. There's nothing there to hurt you. Come on. Lucas, now you got into trouble. Now you're in trouble, kid. All right. No. Okay. Lucas, where you going? Where you going? There's a baby. You got the bunny here. Look, ready? Hi. You can wave to me? Are you stuck?